Yes, Zainab, can you hear me?
Hello, Zainab. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Zainab, we have completed question number 4, I think, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, have we done question number 5th, which is factorize? I think we have done it, right? Factorize.
Some sixth question we have to do.
Yeah, 6th we have to do today. Okay. Any problem so far?
No, ma'am.
Okay. 6th.
Ma'am,
Yes.
actually, I was revising number systems chapter. Can you please actually explain how to solve a square root again?
Square root. Okay, sure.
Yes.
Okay. Let's take a perfect square first of all, just to make you understand. Let me take 144, right? I know it's a perfect square of 12, but let us see how I get it. So you write 144 here, right? So from the right hand side, you start making pair of numbers. So this is one pair, so only one is remaining now. Okay. So here we actually divide from a perfect square only. Like first is 1 into 1 is 1, right? Next 2 into 2 is 4. So I cannot use the number 2 because 2 square is 4. But 1 square is 1, so I can use it, right? So 1 into 1 is actually 1. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so here I get 0 as a remainder. And then I'll bring down. So the whole pair, one at a time, we bring it down together, not one by one. So 44 will come out. And now this number will be multiplied with 2, right? So 2 into 1 is 2 that I write here. Now I have to check like this, 21 into 1. So 1 into 1, 1 into 2, which is less. So I check 22 into 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 2, 4. So 44. So 2 and 2. So I get exact 44. And I mean, this is done. So answer is 12, right? So I can say that square root of 144 is 12. Okay. One more I can take. Let's take bigger number. Let us take. Let me take this. I want to find square root of 3136, right? 4-digit number. So again, do this. 3136, right? And then you make pairs, 2. Okay. Now 5 into 5, 25, right? 6 into 6, 36, which is greater than 31. So I use 5 into 5, 25, right? Okay. Now 11 minus 5 is 6. 6 is the remainder. Now I'll bring 36. Okay. Now multiply this by 2. So 2 into 5 is 10, right? So now you have to see 10, if I write 101 into 1, so I'll get 101, which is very less than this. So something around 5 I can try, right? So 105 into 5. 5 into 5, 25, then 2, 5, 25. Let me check 6 also. So 106 into 6, 6 into 6, 36. So 6, okay, exactly 6 times it is going, right? So 6 into 6, which is 636. So the answer is 56, right?
Yes.
Okay. And let's take a number which is not a perfect square this time. So let me just increase something here. So 3, 1, let's take 7, 5, right? Okay. Again, you make pair. And similarly, 5 into 5 is 25, first of all. Then I get 6, okay? And bring down 75. Okay. Now 2 into 5 is 10, right? So now see, 105 into 5 is 525. 106 is 636, which is I think very close to 75. So 6 into 6 I can use, which is 636. So 15 minus 6 is 9. Then here you have 6 minus 3 is 3. So 39 is my remainder. Now I put a decimal and then 2 0 together you will put, right? Not 1 0. 2 0. Now multiply this with 2. I mean this number. So 2 into 6 is 12. Carry 1. 2 into 5 is 10 and 1 11. So 112. Clear? Okay. So 112. And this is something around 400. So can I check 112, 2, 2 like this? 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. So this is close. Let me check 3 also. 1, 1, 2, 3 into 3. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 2, 6. I think 3 times I can use it, right? So 3 into 3 is 3, 3, 6, 9. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. 531 is the remainder, right? Again, you can put 2 0 and then you multiply all this. So 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 6 is 12. Carry 1, 5, 11, right? So up to 2 places of decimal we can find. So 1, 1, 2, 6. Let me check. 1, 1, 2, 6, 4. 4, 4, 16. 4 into 6, 24 and 125. 4 into 2, 8 and 10, 5. I think I can use 4 times, right? It's looking close to this. So 4 times is 4, 5, 0, 5, 6. And then the remainder is, I'm writing here. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Then you have 9 minus 5 is 4. And then 0 minus 0 is 0. Then you have 13 minus 5 is 8. This is the remainder. Obviously, this is smaller than 11264, right? Oh, I haven't written 4 here. Right? So up to, so this is how we find square root. So answer is this, 56.34. So you can see this number is very close to 56 because I have slightly increased it, right? This was perfect square and this was a slightly greater than it. Okay, nobody else has joined today. Okay, anyway. Exercise 2.5. Now question number 6th. First part. Now write the following cubes in expanded form. So first is 2x plus 1 whole cube. So this is looking like a plus b whole cube, right? So the formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, right? So here your a is 2x and b is 1. So this becomes a cube means 2x cube plus 1 cube plus 3ab. So 3 into 2x into 1, a plus b, right?
Yes.
Okay. So 2x cube means 2 into 2 into 2. So you get 8 and the next cube. Plus 1 cube is 1. 3 into 2, 6x into 2x plus 1, right? So now you can multiply the bracket. So 8x cube plus 1 plus. Now 6 into 2 is 12 and x into x, x square, then plus 6x, right? So you can write the terms in descending power of x if you wish. So 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. This is how we expand it.
Yes, ma'am.
Adil, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the first question I've started. Question number 6, first part. So I'm using this identity a plus b whole cube here. The second part is 2a minus 3b whole cube, right? So this is looking like a minus b whole cube or x minus y whole cube, right? Right. So the formula is, because the question is in the terms of a minus b, so you write your identity in terms of x minus y just to differentiate. X minus y whole cube. The formula is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Clear? So x is actually 2a and y is 3b. So this becomes x cube, that means 2a whole cube, minus y cube, so minus 3b whole cube, minus 3xy, 3 into 2a into 3b into x minus y. So 2a minus 3b. Adil, is this okay?
Yes.
Okay, so now you multiply. This is 2a cube, that means 2a into 2a into 2a, right? So 2 into 2 into 2 becomes 8 and a into a into a cube. Similarly this, 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27, b cube. Minus, now you multiply this, 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 3, 18, ab into 2a minus 3b. So now you can open the bracket, 8a cube minus 27b cube. Now this first number will remain minus because this is to plus and this is minus. So plus minus becomes minus. Is this clear? Okay, so 2 into 18 becomes 36 and a will become a square into b. Clear? Now second number is minus minus plus. Both are minus. So 18 into 3 is how much? 3 into 8 is 24. 54. A into b square. That's it. Yes, written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Next, third part is 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. Same a plus b whole cube kind of question. Can you give it a try, all of you? So use this identity. A plus b whole cube means a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Just expand it like this. Now please try. Just take a minute and try. Yeah, Adil, what will I write here? Now tell me next.
In 3 2x whole square. Whole
Square,
cube
cube, good. Then,
plus 1 cube
okay, then
plus 3 into 3 by 2.
x, okay, into 1, right? And then
Yeah.
bracket a plus b. So 3 by 2x plus 1. Good. So this becomes, now do it carefully or you can do it separately if you are confused, right? Do it like this. So 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3 is 27. And then divided by 8 and x cube. 1 cube is 1 plus. Now 3 into 3 is 9 by 2 and x. And then again 3 by 2x plus 1. 27 by 8 x cube plus 1. Now you can multiply this. So 3 into 9 is 27. 2 into 2, 4. And x square, right? And then plus 9 by 2x. So you can write this in descending powers. That is 27 by 8x cube plus 27 by 4x square plus 9 by 2x plus 1. Okay, now I want both of you to do this one on your own right now. Fourth part. X minus 2 by 3y whole cube. This is a minus b whole cube. Please do it. Yes, have you done, both of you?
No one.
Yeah, done.
If there's problem, then tell me. Okay, so just I'm leaving this as a homework. Okay, to complete this. Now let us come to question number 7. Evaluate the following using suitable identities. So the first part is this. 99 whole cube, right? Again, you can just bring it down to something 100 and something in that form. So I can write this as 100 minus 1 whole cube, right? Okay. So now it is looking like a minus b whole cube, right? So again, I can use the identity a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, right? Okay. So that means your this becomes a cube, that means 100 cube minus b cube minus 3ab, so 3 into 100 into 1 into a minus b, that is 100 minus 1, right? Okay. So now see, because you have to take cube, so that's why we bring it into 100 and something, because taking cube or square of 100 is very easy. So you just put 60 now, 4, 5, 6, right? Minus, this is 1. This becomes 300 and into 99, right?
Yes.
So 1060 minus 1 minus. Now again 20 you write, and 3 into 9 is 27, carry 2, 27 and 2 becomes 29, right? Okay. So now both the numbers are minus, so you can add them together, but with a minus sign they will come. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and minus, this becomes 29701. Clear? You have added them. Now you can subtract. So one time you have to do. So do it like this, just to avoid mistakes separately. And then how many digits? 5. So 29701. Now 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. Now 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. Right? And then you have, some mistake am I doing? Yeah, okay. 9 minus 9 is 0. Then 9 minus 2 is 7. So I think this is the answer. And yeah, here 9 will remain. So 970299. Yeah, Jaslyn, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, any problem here? Question number 7?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Similarly, we can do the second part also. It's similar. Just let me know if you have not written. I'll go back. Now you have to evaluate 102 whole cube, right? So this again you can write 100 plus 2 whole cube. Okay. So this becomes a plus b whole cube. That means a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. So 3 into 100 into 2 into a plus b. That is 100 plus 2. So I'm using this identity. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So I've written in this form. Now open the bracket 10060 plus 2 cube is 8 plus this is 3 into 6, 3 into 2 is 6 and 600. This is 102. Now this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then plus 8. So you put 0, 0 and multiply by 6. 6 into 2 is 12. Carry 1. 6, 6, 1, 2, 0, 0. Right? Okay. Now you can add it. So first of all, you add this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus You add 6, 8 into it. So 6, 1, 2, 0, 8, right? Now you can add them together. So write separately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you write 8, 0, 2, 1, 6. Now add it. This is 8, 0, 2, 1, 6, 0, 1. 1, 0, 6, 1, 2, 0, 8. That's the answer. Yes, have you written?
Yes, ma'am. Now, third part is this. 998 whole cube, right? So how can you write it? You can write it as 1000 minus 2 whole cube. Fine, Adil. This is now a minus b whole cube. So you will use the identity a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. See, you have to write the identity, okay? Write it in bracket or like on the side you can write, or here also you can write that using this a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay. So this becomes a cube, that means 1000 whole cube minus b cube minus 3ab, 3 into 1000 into 2 into a minus b. So 1000 minus 2. Okay. Now great. So how many 0 will come here, Jaslyn, now? 1000 Ma'am,
cube.
6.
No. Adil, how many 0 will come now?
Ma'am, 7 and
Mhm.
8.
Okay. Adil, how many 0 will come?
8.
Okay. 8. Very good. Zainab, how many 0 will come?
8.
Why 8? What is happening? See, this is 1000 multiply by 1000 and multiply by 1000. 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. Why 8? Yeah. I mean, when we multiply something, for example, I'm multiplying 20 into 40. So you can see there are 2 zeros. So we simply write these 2 zeros, right? And then 2 into 4, 8. So 0 will remain as it is. So I have 3 0 here, 3 0 here, 3 0 here. So I'll put 3, then another 3 0, then another 3 0, and then 1 into 1 into 1 is simple 1. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes? So 9 0 will come. Okay, write 1. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is this understood, everyone? Okay. Right. Now 2 into 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, minus 8. Now you can multiply 3 and 2 together, 6, and then 3 0, right? 6 and then 3 0. And then 1000 minus 2 is 998. All right. Okay. So now don't subtract. First of all, write as it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 8. Minus, now you multiply this. So 3 0. So 3 0 will come as it is. Okay. Now you multiply this number with 6. 6 into 8 is 48. Carry 4. 6 into 9 is 54. And 4 becomes 58. And then 5.
6 into 9 is 54 and 5 that becomes 59. 5988000, right? Okay. So now you can see these two numbers are having minus sign, like minus of 8 and minus of this 59. So they both can be added together. Both are minus and the sign will remain minus. Understood? For example, I have minus 2 minus 5. So what will I do? I'm going to add them, right? 5 plus 2, 7, and then minus of 7. Is this clear? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So similarly, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now you add this 8 here with a minus sign. So 5, 9, 8, 8, 0, 0, 8, right? I have added 8. So now you can subtract. So better do it separately to avoid mistakes. Do it carefully now. So you write like this first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Now you start writing your number 8, 0, 0. Then you have 8, 8. Then you have 9 and 5, right? Now you subtract. So basically, I'm taking this one from here. I hope you all know subtraction. So this 0 becomes actually 10. I'm borrowing one. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Now this number is left 9. So 9 minus 0 is 9. Similarly, this number is also 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. Again, 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now this remains 9. And this 10 also becomes 9. So this is the answer. So 994011992. I don't think this is very difficult. Is anyone finding it very difficult?
No.
If you do it carefully, these questions are very easy. Right, Justin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we come to question number 8, part 1. Factorize, okay? So again, you have to bring them into some product of linear factors. 8aq plus bq plus 12a square b plus 6ab square, right? So actually, I just want to bring it into this form, which is my identity, which is x plus y whole cube. So this is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, right? So if my right hand side is this, that means the answer is going to be this. Is this okay? So I just want to see whether my right hand side is like this or not, right? So can I write 8a cube means, can I write this as 2a whole cube? Any problem? Because 2 cube is 8 and a into a is a cube, right? And b cube, I can write b whole cube, okay? Plus, okay. Now, out of these two numbers, can I take something common? I can take
Eight.
1, 3, yeah, 3 common. And then a is there in both the number. I can also take one a outside. And at least one b also I can take common. So here what will I left with?
3 into 4. So 4 and then 1a, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And plus, so here 2 and then 1b. So instead of 3, can I take 6 common? I think 6 is also common, isn't it? Why? See, I have, look here. This is x cube, this is y cube. So I should have x plus y inside the bracket. The same numbers, right? So if I'm writing 2a cube plus b cube, that means inside the bracket I should have 2a plus b. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that means one more 2 I want to take outside. So you can take it in the next step also, no problem. So 2a whole cube plus b cube plus, so I can again take 2 common. So 3 into 2 becomes 6ab, and then this becomes 2a plus b. Fine, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it should be like this: x cube, right, plus y cube, sorry, which is actually b, plus 3xy. So 3 into your x, which is your 2a, and into your y, which is your b, and into x plus b. So 2a plus. Now I think this is exactly like this identity, right? Okay, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that means the answer is this now, x plus y whole cube. So this I can write 2a plus b whole cube, right, Adil? And then I can multiply the 3 factors. So 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. So these are 3 factors. Okay, next part. Second, this is 8a cube minus of b cube minus of 12a square b plus 6ab square, right? So I can see a minus sign. So let me just try to check whether this is this identity or not. X minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y, right? Okay. So again, this 8a cube can be written as 2a whole cube minus b cube. And from these two terms, can I take minus of 6 common again, right? Why a minus I'm taking outside? Because in the formula I have a minus here. So I'm keeping my minus outside, right? Okay. So minus of 6, then 1a and 1b I can take common. So in the first term, because minus is already outside, so this term will become plus now. Only 2 will come and then 1a will come. Is clear? Because
Yes.
now minus is already out. And if you multiply, so it will again become minus, which is like. Now this term, which is positive, now a minus will come, right? Because minus is outside. And 6ab, so only b will come here. So you can check, because if you open the bracket again, so this minus, when you will multiply with this minus, so minus minus will become plus, and you will get plus of 6ab square, which you should get here, right?
So be careful when you are taking minus common. So the sign of the terms will change inside the bracket. Now again you can break it like this: 2a cube minus of b cube minus 3ab, right? So 3 into your first term, which is 2a, into b. This is, you can check, this is 6ab, same, right? 6ab, and then 2a minus b. Now this is exactly looking like this: x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y, right? So that means I can write it like x minus y whole cube. That means 2a minus of b whole cube. And 2a minus b into 2a minus b into 2a minus b. These are the three factors. Yes, have you written? Jaslyn, have you written? Are there?
Yes,
Yes.
Okay, the next question. Third part is this: 27 minus 125 a cube minus 135 a plus 225 a square, right? So again, if I want to compare it with this identity, x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So let me check whether I can bring it into this form or not. Now 27 is 3 cube, right? 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. So 3 cube minus 125 is actually 5 cube. So yeah, 5 and then a. So 5a whole cube, I can write it, minus. Now what I can take common? So first of all, let's take 5 common, no problem, right? Take 5 and then 1a I can take common. So here it will be 5 into 2 is 10, then 35. So 27 will remain, right? And then plus 5 into 4 is 20, and then 25. 5 into 5, so 45, and then 1a will remain. Clear? No, this will be now minus because I've already taken minus outside, right? So the sign of the term will change. Okay. So minus 5a whole cube minus. Now see, because I want to write it 3 into something. Now see here, this is 3 multiplied by something. So ultimately 1 3 has to be there. Okay. I don't have a 3 here. So now inside the bracket, I can see I can take a 3 common. Can you see that? Because 45 is divisible by 3. So let me keep it like this. And already one term is 5a, as you can see. So keep it like this: 3, take 1 3 common, and then keep it like this: 5a. Now inside the bracket, what will left? So 3 into 9 is 27, and then minus 3 into 1 and 15. So 3 into 5a. This is left now, right? Is this clear? All of you?
yes.
Okay. So now this 3 I have already got, right? And then 5a. So this y I also got. Now this x is remaining, which is actually 3. So I think one more 3 has to come out, right? So 3 into cube minus 5 into a whole cube minus 3 into. Now I can again take 1 3 common from the bracket,
and then into 5a. So this becomes 3 minus 5a. This is clear now?
Yes.
So now you can compare it. This is x cube minus y cube minus 3 into your x into your y, and this is x minus y, right? I have brought it exactly in this form, right? Okay, so that means this becomes x minus y whole cube. So 3 minus 5a whole cube, right, Adil?
Yeah.
Okay, 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5. Okay, next, fourth part. 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144 a square b plus 108 ab square. Again, I think x minus y whole cube I have to use here, right? So I'm writing x minus y whole cube as x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus. So let us compare it with this one. So 64 is cube of what? 4, I think. Yeah, 4 into 4 is 16 and 16 into 4 is 64. Yes. So this is 4 into a whole cube, right? 27 is cube of 3. So 3 into b whole cube minus. So ultimately 1 3 has to come out, right? So I'm going to take 1 3 common and then a common and b common. Okay. So now I'm left with 3 into 4 is 12, then 24. 3 into 8 is 24, then 1a will remain. Now minus is already out. So this term is now minus. 3 is already out. So 3 into 3 is 9 and 18, 3 into 6 and then 1b. Is this clear, Jaslyn?
Yes, ma'am.
Zainab, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now 4a whole cube minus 3b whole cube minus, see here now 3 into x, right? So your x is actually 4a. That means 1 4 has to come out from here. Yes, this is your x, right? This, which is actually 4a. So 3 is already here. Let me take 1 4 outside. So if I take my 4 outside, what will left? 1 and 2. 12a minus 4 into 9 is 36. Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, now in the next step, so this is I got 3, then I got my x. Now my y is remaining. My y is actually 3b. So that means 1 more 3 I have to take outside, right? So 4 into a whole cube minus 3 into b whole cube minus 3 into x into y, which is actually my 3b. So I'm taking 1 3 outside. So here I get 4a minus 3b, right? Now this is, you can compare it with this one. This is x cube minus, this is your y cube minus 3 into x into y into x minus y. It's the same as this. Yes. So that means
Yes, ma'am.
it is x minus y whole cube. So your x is 4a and y is 3b whole cube. So which you can write 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3. Okay, I hope you have written. Now
Yes.
next, fifth part. This is 27 p cube minus 1 upon 216, then minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4p. So no problem. Now one number is actually in the form of fraction here. Okay. Again, you use this identity that x minus y whole cube is actually x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. I mean, I'm going to compare it with this identity. Okay. So how can I write it? Now 27p cube can be written as 3p whole cube, right? Minus, now 1 upon 216. First of all, 216 you have to check. So 6 into 6 is 36, right? And then one more 6. So you can check 6 into 6, 36. 18 and 3 is 21. Yeah. So this is actually 6. So you will write 1 upon 6 whole cube. Is this okay? Because numerator cube is 1 cube. 1 cube is 1. So 1 can be written as 1 cube. No problem, right? Okay. Minus. Okay, let me write the two terms as it is first of all. P square plus 1 by 4p. Right? So far correct? Okay. Now let's take something common. So this will remain as it is 3p whole cube minus 1 by 6 whole cube. Is this clear? Minus. See, out of these terms now, actually, if this is my, let's say this is my x and this is my y, right? And then I should get 3xy here, right? I have to get 3xy. So first of all, let me take 3 common. One by one, I'll take common. First of all, I'll take 3 common, then I'll bring out my x, then I'll bring out my y. Is this understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So let me take my 3 outside and rest of the terms I'll keep inside. So out of 9, I'm taking 3. So 3 by 2 will remain. And I think 1p I can bring outside. There's no issue. Right? So 1p will remain. And then now out of 1 by 4, if I'm taking 3 outside, how will I take? So I have to do, can I multiply like 3 by 3? Yes. If I multiply the numerator and denominator both by 3, there is no problem because 3 by 3 is 1, right? And then this 1, 3 I'm taking outside. So what will remain? 1 upon 4 into 3. That means 1 upon 12 will remain here. Is this understood by everyone? Oh, sorry, not plus, minus sign. Jesslyn, is this understood?
Yes, ma'am.
See, if you are confused, just tell me right here. Zainab,
No, ma'am.
Adil. Okay, one more time, I'm just explaining it. First of all, I'm taking, because I'm taking my minus outside, so my second term is going to be minus. I think this thing is clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, because I'm taking 3 outside, so inside, this is 9 by 2, right? So 9 is actually 3 into 3, already 3 into 3 by 2, right? So 1, 3 I can take common, so only 3 by 2 will remain here and then p square. Is this okay? Okay. Now out of 1 by 4, you have to take 3 common, and you cannot see a 3 here. So you do it separately. Now 1 by 4, now multiply the numerator and denominator both by 3, no problem, right? So if I take a 3 common, so what will remain inside? So 1, right? And divided by 4 into 3. So that means 1 upon 12 will remain. So 1 upon 12 and then p. Now I hope it is clear.
Yes.
Okay. Right. Next. So this is my x, which is 3p cube minus 1 upon 6 whole cube minus. So 3 I have got now. Now next thing is x. So what is my x here, which is 3p. So that means 1 3p I have to take common now, right? 1 3p I have to take outside. So inside what will remain? So see, 3p I have taken, so only p is remaining now, and then 2, right? Minus. Now again, you see, I have, okay, this p is already outside, right? Now you have 1 upon 12, right? Now
Yes, ma'am.
you want to take 3 common. From 1 by 12, you have to take 3 common, right? Okay. How will you take? Again, you multiply 3 by 3. No issues? Yeah. So if you take a 3 common, so what will remain here? 12 into 3 only, which is actually 3 into 1 upon 12 into 3 is 36, right? So that means if I take a 3 outside, so 1 upon 36 will remain here. Is this understood by everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next. Now next I have to take my y outside, right? So let us bring the y outside. So 3p whole cube minus 1 upon 6 whole cube minus 3xy. So 3 into x is already here. Now your y is what? 1 upon 6. This is your y. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So that means, now you see here, that means from the denominator you have to take 6 outside, right? Now try to understand this thing. See, these are important calculations. And now inside you have p by 2 only, right? And you want to take 1 upon 6 outside. That means from the denominator you are taking 6 outside. So nothing, you multiply 6 by 6, no problem, right?
Yes.
Now you take 1 by 6 outside. So this denominator 6 is outside. So inside you have only p into 6 and then divided by 2. So this will remain inside. Understood, Adil? If you take 1 by 6 outside, so inside you have p into 6 by 2. Clear? Which you can reduce as 2 into 3 is 6, right? So that means 3p will remain here. So that means 3p will remain here, right? Minus. Now 1 upon 136 is what? 1 upon 6 into 6. And 1 6 is outside, so 1 upon 6 will remain. Now tell me who is having problem here. Jesslyn, I hope you have understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Adil? Adil, unmute your mic, Adil. Is he there in the class?
No, ma'am.
Okay, he's not here. Zainab, I hope this is clear. So one by one
Yes,
you
ma'am.
take common, otherwise there are chances of mistake. So one first step, I have taken my 3 common, right? Then my next term and then my next term. So one by one I'm taking common. So now this is nothing. This is like x cube, right? Then minus y cube minus 3 into your x into your y, and inside you have x minus y. That means the answer is x minus y whole cube, right? So it becomes 3p minus 1 upon 6 whole cube. This is the answer, which you can of course write 3 times. So 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6, 3p minus 1 by 6.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then from question number 9, I'll take